If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. It is better to lead from behind than to put others in front, especially when you celebrate victory when nice things occur. You take the front line when there is danger. Then people will appreciate your leadership. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. Money won't create success, the freedom to make it will. As long as poverty, injustice, and gross inequality persist our world, none of us can truly rest. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Our human compassion binds us the one to the other, not in pity or patronizingly, but as human beings who have learned how to turn our common suffering into hope for the future.
For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others.
If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy. Then he becomes your partner. There is nothing like returning to a place that remains unchanged to find the ways in which you yourself have altered.
Without education, your children can never really meet the challenges they will face. So it's very important to give children education and explain that they should play a role for their country.